I don't know who needs to hear this today, but whatever it is you're working towards, whatever dream, lifestyle, healing, peace, freedom, is possible. Like really, it's possible for you. I know it might not feel like it right now, especially if things are moving slow or not at all. But I promise the more you keep showing up for yourself, the closer you get. So I've had to start over more than once. I've questioned myself, doubted myself, cried over the things people will never know about. But I've never stopped trying to build the life I saw in my head. Even if it didn't have all the answers, I just kept trying. In this, the beach, this is a reminder that peace, joy, soft moments, a new start, it's not just for some people, it's for you too. If you keep going, keep believing, keep planting those seeds, it'll all work out. This life I'm living now, I imagined it, but I just want you to know whatever it is for you, it's coming. Don't give up before it gets here.